Hey, welcome to the quick video on setting up your categories in PowerSchool and importing them into Canvas. So when you first log into PowerSchool, this is what you should see with your course listed. To get to where you need to add your categories, you can either click below the course name for that Power Teacher Pro or over here on the left side. Either one should bring you into where you need to be to get the categories. All right, and then you are going to click Settings and Traditional Gradebook Calculations. So here is where quarter one and quarter two are listed and our semester ones. You can always click the pencil here to look at the weighting of it. Quarter one and quarter two, 50% each. So you're going to go to the first one for quarter one, and this is where you're going to set up your categories. There may be some in here for you already. I believe they want us to kind of stick to the 60% summative, 40% formative format. I know they gave us some specific categories and percentages, so make sure you check those out. If there is one here that you don't see, you can always click the plus sign up here on the kind of upper right corner. You want to make sure the type is category weight. And then you can change from any of these options that it gives you. And then you will change the weighting over here. And notice once you do that, it does change the percentages. It tries to make everything equal to 100%. So I would suggest making your weightings equal 100%. Mine are now off. If you put in an extra category, you can always click that minus sign there and it will take it out. All right. So once you are done, you're going to hit save. And you could go in here and click the next one for quarter two and do the same thing. Or remember, Gina told us we could come in here and click copy traditional grade calculations. So you can either do it within a class or to other classes if you have more than one. I only have one course, so I'm going to do it within my course here, and you just answer these questions. So from which class? This is the original one that I set up. Which reporting term? I set it up in quarter one. And where do I want to send them to? I want it to go into my quarter two category. And then I'll hit validate. And it gives you the summary. Moved all my information from quarter one to quarter two. Now if I were to look at quarter two, it's going to look the same as what my quarter one looked like. All right, so once you are happy with that, you can then go over to Canvas, go into your course, and click on the Assignment tab. And if you remember, they said originally when all of your assignments were added into Canvas, they probably came in under an assignment listing here or a group listing here, just labeled assignments. So you want to go ahead and just rename that just so you don't get confused with the new categories that are coming in. So if you have just an assignment one here, remember you can click those three dots and then click Edit. And just rename that assignment tab to Unassigned so that you have all of your assignments there. And then hit Save. All right. Then to import your categories, you are going to click on the three dots and Import Assignment Groups. Notice it says click the Add button below to import our assignment groups from your SIS account. Existing assignments and groups will remain, so it's not going to delete anything out for you. So that is the good news in case you make any kind of mistakes. And then go ahead and click Add. And notice it gave you that message there saying it was successful and that it will update it for you when it pulls it in from the SIS. Once you do have all of your categories in here, if you have extra ones like this imported assignments that you're really not using, you can see mine is just this one weird assignment. You again can click over here. Click over here. Delete. Come on. delete. There we go. And it'll let you delete an assignment group. Notice you can, I do have one assignment in there, so you can delete the assignment along with the group. Or if I wanted to, I could just move that one assignment I have to another group, one or all of the assignments, maybe to that unassigned group. All right, hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions.